Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some chunky egg salad sandwich. So let's get started. This was an easy, simple lunch recipe, and it was cheap and easy to make. So hey. Alright, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil my eggs. I have plenty videos on my channel here on how to boil eggs, and I do it the same every time. I start it in cool water. Once it comes to a boil, I take it off the heat and let it sit for like 12 minutes or so, and it's perfect every time. I'm gonna start washing my veggies. With any kind of salad, egg salad, potato salad, tuna salad, you can use the veggies you have on hand. Today I have pepper, celery, and onion, so that's what I'll be using. So you're just gonna chop up your peppers and your celery. This is probably was the hardest part, and this is not even hard. So it's so easy to make and super duper cheap, and it can feed a lot of people, especially if you portion it out right. Over here, I'm greedy, so my sandwich was big as hell. And it was lunch. It was simple, cheap lunch and filling, and it was delicious. So you want to chop up your celery and make sure you chop your veggies really small. Even though this is a chunky egg salad with the peppers, you don't want big ass pieces and chunks of peppers in your egg salad. So I'm going to keep chopping, and then we're just going to put this thing together. If you notice on this channel, you guys never see me with relish. I always use pickles. I just like it better. So these are bread and butter pickles, and you just want to chop those up. These are my eggs. They're finally done. I'm going to drain the hot water off, and then I'm going to throw a couple ice cubes in there with some cool water just to help with the cooling down process. And these are the eggs. They come out perfect every time. No black rings, and they're perfectly boiled. I'll make sure I link my video below for step-by-step on how to boil eggs. These are the rest of the ingredients. You have your mayo, your honey mustard, salt, pepper, and Mrs. Dash Southwest seasoning. To my eggs, I'm going to start adding the pickle, the onion, the pepper, celery mixture. I didn't pour it all in there because I wanted to make sure it was balanced. You don't want to put too much versus the eggs. Then I added my mayo, my seasoning, my mustard, and we're just going to mix this up and build the sandwich. So I had some beautiful brioche bread left over from my previous video and recipe. So I decided to use that, as well as some butter lettuce that I put down on there. But you can use the bread or the lettuce that you prefer. I piled on the egg salad, and this is what it looks like, you guys. It was delicious. I think the bread actually made this even more delicious. I love brioche bread. But this is what it looks like. This is what the inside looks like. I added some tomatoes on top. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my videos as well as my channel. Okay, guys, bye.